A right triangle has one leg of 6 centimeters and a hypotenuse of 10 centimeters. Find the length of the other leg. Then, if this triangle is the base of a pyramid with height 8 centimeters, what is the volume of the pyramid? So this problem is asking us to find two things. The first is the length of the third leg of a triangle, and the second thing is the volume of this particular pyramid. So in order to solve this problem, you should know the Pythagorean theorem, which says that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So a right triangle, it might look like this, where a is one leg and b is another, and c is the hypotenuse. And then the volume of a pyramid, where the bottom is a triangle, the formula is given as 1/3 times the base area, or the base of the triangle, times the height. So hopefully you learned these two formulas already in geometry class. So let's solve this problem. So the first part is, if one of the legs is 6 centimeters and the hypotenuse is 10, what is the other leg? So let's plug that in. Let's set A as 6 centimeters. So 6 squared plus b squared is going to equal the hypotenuse squared. 6 squared is 36. 36 plus b squared equals 10 squared, 100. Subtract 36 from both sides. We get b squared equals 100 minus 36. 100 minus 36 is 64. So square root both sides. B, the other leg of the triangle, is the square root of 64, 8. Okay, so again, we're not sure exactly what the right triangle looks like. It could be like this, it could be upside down like this. It doesn't really matter so much. What we do know, what does matter, is we know both legs now. So we got 6, we got 8, hypotenuse of 10. So the length of the other leg is 8. Now, if this triangle, a triangle like this, a right triangle, is the base of a pyramid with height of 8, what is the volume of the pyramid? Now let's use this formula. So the volume of the pyramid is going to be 1/3 times the base area times the height. Now the height, the problem tells us 8. So let's figure out the base area of this pyramid. So this triangle, what is the area? Well, a third formula then that you should know is the area of a triangle is half times base times height. So for this example, the area would be half times 6 times 8. 6 times 8 is 48. Half of that is 24. Okay, so the area of this triangle is 24. And now let's just solve it. 1/3 of 24 is 8. And then 8 times 8 is 64. And since this is centimeters, the volume is going to be 64 centimeters cubed. And then the length of the triangle is going to be 8 centimeters. And we're done.